welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing, turn on your notification as I have new uploads every week. Now today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious vanilla mug cake. In my last episode I showed you how to make a chocolate mug cake, so if you haven't checked that out, please do so. And now let's get started. So into your mug, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using 1.5 tablespoons because I don't like my cake too sweet. Then go ahead to add your flour, 4 tablespoons. I'm using all-purpose flour. Then a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and mix them all together. Once that is done, add a pinch of salt, which will round up all those flavors, and mix them together as well. Next, add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Followed by a tablespoon of butter. I'm using butter, you can use oil or margarine. Then followed by 3 tablespoons of milk. And mix them together. Once that is done, it's ready to pop in your microwave, but I just wanted to add a little bit of something to it, and I'm adding some sprinkles. So you can skip this part, it's completely optional. So if you add your sprinkles, then mix it together with your mixture, and it's time to pop it in your microwave. So I put my cake dough on my microwave for 1 minute 90 seconds. Basically you can do 2 minutes, but I did 90 seconds because I'll give it a 10-minute interval because my microwave is a bit stronger, so I did not do 2 minutes. So just do 1 minute 90 seconds. Put your toothpick. If comes out dry, then you know your cake is ready, but if it's not still wet, then give it another 10 seconds so that it's ready. So here you can see my cake. It's absolutely well done, and it was so moist. I actually enjoyed it over with some Oreo ice cream on the top. You can add strawberry ice cream as well, it goes perfectly well with it, or even whipped cream, but I actually will advise that you have it with some ice cream. I really hope you did enjoy this recipe. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel as well, share this with your friends and family, and I will see you on my next one. Till next time, bye bye.